everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to animate mesh inside Threejs. So let's get started. So this is the final output. I have one sphere, one plane as well as one torus, and here you can see I'm able to animate it. Okay, I enter in. Okay, so here as you can see, like the plane is sometimes not visible because it is animating, but yeah, here you can see the output. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly I'm using Vite to create a simple HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. Use whatever you feel like. Then inside my package.json I have added this dependency of 3 which is of Threejs, and inside dev dependency I have added type/3 so that I can use it with TypeScript. Then inside index.html I have just added one canvas element of id canvas, and I have added some style of position fixed, top left is 0 and outline is none. Then here we are also referencing our TypeScript file inside HTML. Now if you see my TypeScript file, these are all the imports, so if you want you can just copy paste all these imports. Firstly we are getting hold of our canvas element, then I am creating a scene. Then here I have created one mesh basic material of color red. That's why you are seeing those red colors on my mesh. I have created 3 mesh, one for sphere, one for plane and one for torus. Then I have added them to the scene. I have created sizes so that it occupies the entire width and height of the screen. Then I have created one perspective camera as well, and these orbit controls are just for rotation and translation, like if the user wants to do it. Like here as you can see I'm trying to move it, so that's why orbit controls has been used. Then here I am creating a WebGL renderer. I am setting the size for our renderer, and on resize we are just updating our camera as well as our renderer, and on double click we can either go or exit the full screen mode. Here I have created one clock. I get the elapsed time from our clock, and this is the important part of rotation. So we want to apply the rotate animation on every frame per second. That's why you can use the rotation property dot rotation dot y and apply this. If you want you can change the position as well. So you suppose I applied something like this, here you can see the position of my sphere has been changing. So you can use something like this as well if you are if it feels right to you. But yeah, there are many other properties which you can animate, but this is how you can do a typical animation. Then here we are just updating our controls as well as our renderer, and this tick function which we have is called every frame per second, so that's why we are using request animation frame, and here we are calling it for the very first time. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do animation in Threejs. Thank you for watching. Bye.